go cleaning windows to earn an honest bar. For a nosy Parker it's an interesting job. Now it's a job that just suits me. Winter cleaner you will be. You could see what I can see when I'm cleaning winters. Honeymooning couples too. You should see them bill and queue. You'd be surprised at things they do when I'm cleaning winters. In my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. Oh, the Russian bride, she must be mine. The bridegroom, he is doing fine. I'd rather have his job than mine. When I'm cleaning winters, the chambermaids, sweet names I call. It's a wonder I don't fall. My mind's not on my work at all. When I'm cleaning winters, I know a fella such as well. He has a purse that's plain to tell. I've seen him drink his bath as well. When I'm cleaning winters, in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. Pajamas lying side by side, ladies' nighties I have spied. I'd often see what goes inside when I'm cleaning winters. Now there's a famous talking queen. She loves a flapper on the street, more like 18 and 18. When I'm cleaning winters, she pulls her hair all down behind, then pulls down her never mind, and after that pulls down the blind. When I'm cleaning winters, in my profession I work hard, but I'll never stop. I'll climb this blinking ladder till I get right to the top. An old maid walks around the floor, she's